Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the du command. If you want to check how much space a file or a directory takes, then you gotta use the du command. First of all, I'm gonna open up the terminal. Okay, so now I just want to open up the files. Okay, so if I just simply write the du command here, it will simply tell me the space occupied by the every directory or the subdirectories of the home directory. So I just simply want to target the documents directory right now. So what I need to do here, I'm going to write the du and then I'm going to write the name of the document directory. All right, and now you can see that it is telling me the space occupied by the document directory, but you can see here that it is not telling me whether this 24 is the MB, KB, or the GB. So it is not simply telling me the unit of the space occupied by the directory. So for that, what you need to do, you're gonna simply write the -h for that, and it will simply do your work. Now you can see that it is telling me that your directory occupies 24 KB space. Okay, but if you just want to check out a particular or the specified file, what you need to do, first of all, I just want to go to the documents and I want to check out the space occupied by the new file.txt. So what I need to do, I'm going to write the du and -h, and now I have to write the name of the file, which is new text. Okay, so it's gonna work fine and it will tell me the space occupied by the file. Okay, so this is how it works and this is how the du command works. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.